What's up everybody, it's Shane. So today I'm going to be showing you my 91 Eagle Talon. We picked this car up about a month and a half ago. There's a video that I posted about it. If you haven't watched it, go watch it. Picked it up from Killeen, Texas. It was a good friend of mine's car. We used to have a shop together about 10 years ago where we worked on mostly import cars. This was his car. And he just did not have time for it anymore. He switched careers. He's not even a technician anymore. He's doing other stuff now. He just wanted to get out of the game. So he gave me this car, as I mentioned before. He wanted me to have it. He told me that I'm the only one that he would want to have it. With that being said, I'm gonna show you all about the car and talk all about it, because the last video I didn't really say anything about what the car had in it. So let's just dive in, and then we're gonna do a first startup. Let's get to it. So here it is, 91 Eagle Talon. So obviously it has a 4G63, 6-bolt, a 1990 block. It has HKS 272 cams. It's got Eagle H-beam rods. It's got Wiseco pistons. I'm not sure about the compression ratio. I don't remember, but we'll find out. It's got adjustable cam gears. The car is on E85. It's got a precision journal bearing turbo, old school. I'm not sure what size, I don't remember. I'll have to look at it. But yeah, full intercooler setup in the front. He cut the hell out of the bumper, but it works. It's got K-Sport coilovers all around. It is an all-wheel drive car. Stock transmission, I believe, if I remember correctly. It's got a 4-bolt rear end swap, and it's got a 6-puck unsprung clutch. I don't remember what brand it is. So he stuck this manifold on here. This was the first manifold, exhaust manifold, that he ever built. He TIG welded this himself. Unfortunately, he really never finished it because it doesn't have a wastegate. So that's not good. So I don't know if I really want to mess with it. I think I'm just going to swap manifolds and just get a wastegate for it. Well, actually I have a wastegate for it, but just get an adapter for it or something. But I have a wastegate down here. It's a Turbo Smart. But yeah, so I'm thinking about just getting another manifold and putting that on there and riding with that. So this car is very special to me because it was his car and we used to work on it all the time, ride around in it, had a lot of fun. I have a picture of my Escort, which I still have. I drive it every day. And his car about 10, 12 years ago at a restaurant in town, and I want to recreate that photo. I thought it was so cool. Now that I have it, I think it'd be cool to recreate that photo. But this is the Escort I was telling you about, the ZX2 that I have, that I've had for, God, probably 17 years. Just my little daily beater. You know, it's clean, trying to make it look clean, but it's just my little gas saver. But that's the one that I have a picture of next to this one. You know, and these were both of our cars years ago. But yeah, and then my Mustang, which I'm working on a video. I'm going to show this car and talk all about it. But you know, I've been doing a lot of Mustangs on my channel, so it's just been kind of sitting on the back burner. But I will get some content about this one and, you know, show that I'm not just somebody that films other people's cars. I do have my own cars. I just enjoy showing random cool cars of people that I know. But yeah, this car sat for like 5 or 6 years with E85 in the tank. So we took the fuel rail out. It was all caked up. All right, Clarence. So let's show them what E85 does when it sits in a tank for 5 years. Woo!
It's all gummed up.
And this is why we're gonna rebuild the fuel system.
Yeah, wait till you see the inside of the fuel rail. That's my favorite part.
All right, here we go. Here is the inside of the fuel rail, and ooh, look at that. Dang. We cleaned it. My buddy Anthony, he has a shop in Baytown, Texas. Garage Built Performance. Check him out. He cleaned the injectors for me. But it has, I believe they're 880s in it right now.
But obviously that's how you mount it. They're all within like 2 to 3 milliliters of each other, so I mean that's pretty good for a big ass injector.
Oh, that was pretty clear.
Yeah. Well, it was.
It was.
This. It was
Shit.
that color. Now it's
That.
it's Baytown water green. It's dirty bay green. So that's where it's really gonna show how clean it is.
These were black and caked.
And then the inside on top was white.
Yeah, it was all white and
had
pearly.
like powder in it or something. But yeah, no, they're pretty good.
That's pretty nice. I'm about to record a first startup, so here, I won't cut the video, so let's see if it actually starts. Just hold the camera. It's either gonna work or it's gonna blow up.
Don't say that. Positive vibes.
So I'm not even gonna lie to you. The starter has some connectivity issues there. I was in the car cussing and pissed off, so I told my wife just to stop the video, let me jack with this starter, and see if I can get it to turn over. So, I guess technically, this is take 2. It sounds like shit right now because the downpipe's loose from the turbo. It's running. So I have a set of fuel injector development 1600s injectors. So we're going to be putting these in once I send the ECU off to get re-chipped for deassembly V3. It has V2 on it right now, so it's just kind of outdated. I want to just go ahead and upgrade that so I can just kind of get with the times. I like the new features and it seems pretty reliable and very easy to use. I also have a Hellcat 525 pump. I'm just going to run a single pump for right now. I have an entire fuel system, PTFE lines. I have actually 2 boxes of this stuff here, these lines here, to build a fuel system. I have all the AN fittings. It's going to be 8 AN. But yeah, we're going to be piecing that together here. You know, once the car drives and runs around, I'll make sure everything's good. I just want to make sure the drivetrain's good and everything before I get that far in depth into it. All right, so real quick, I want to give my buddy Mackenzie and Ryan a shout out. They are the ones that have DSM 3D Creations. They 3D print a bunch of this stuff for DSM, stuff you can't find, like the rear wiper, motor delete, the little side clips on the side of the car. Let me show you what I'm talking about because I don't know what they're called. These things here, I'm going to get them from them as well, but I think they were out of stock last time I looked. And then also, they sell these tabs behind here that hold the side lights in. And they sell a bunch of other stuff too, that such as like shifter bushings, things like that. But today I'm going to show you what I got from them. So this is the rear wiper delete. It's got a plug for the where the actual motor sticks through. So you got to pop that off. So it's very simple. I just took a set of channel locks and just pulled this thing out because it was all dry rotted anyways. And then you're going to take that small piece, clip it on. It's got an O-ring so it seals. Really nice stuff. Goes right on. Really tight fit, really snug. Looks good. So then you take the actual cover for the deck lid and then it snaps in place. So you just slide it, push it down, it snaps in place. Good fit. Looks really good. Years ago it was hard to find these. I'm not even sure if they made them, but now we got them. So again, shout out to DSM 3D Creations. If you're looking for any of this stuff, be sure to click on the link in the description. And hell, even tell them that I sent you. Support a small business. They got a really nice website. Got a lot of stuff on there. Good guys. I want to say shout out to John, my buddy John, for getting me these injectors with his buddy at FID. I really appreciate that, dude. That was very solid of you. But I'm going to wrap the video up here. If you liked this video, stay tuned for more videos of this car. We'll be driving it around, and I'm gonna try to make a lot of content on it, but I don't want to bore people with every single little detail. Like I got a brake caliper I got to fix, it's locked up. I'm not gonna record that because it's a brake caliper, no one cares. But anyways, we're gonna wrap this video up here, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.